Hi guys, I'm Hasbi with WTI and I have a really thick eyebrows and I always want to keep them looking thick but natural, and that's why having an eyebrow pencil is always really important for your makeup to look great. This is a Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil from Maybelline, and this one's in the shade Deep Brown. I use this brow definer to keep my eyebrows looking good while I go back to the brow stylist. I love this one because it comes with a little spoolie that lets me brush my brows right after I apply the brow definer. I love how the applicator has a diagonal shape to it, which will make the eyebrow defining process even easier. The point of this product is that I want it to make my eyebrows look as thick as possible, and that's what I get with this eyebrow pencil. And I really love this one. This is the Eyebrow Definer Pencil. I am in love with it, genuinely, and that's my point of view.